Hello, my name is Rayhanul Islam. I have brought a special product for you. Product name, Lunacal.ai Review. Product description. I have discussed the important points that come inside this product below. Create stunning scheduling pages and manage your bookings with advanced enterprise-grade features. 84% off, $59. Lifetime access, refundable up to 60 days. Meeting with leads won't help you grow your business if your sign-up form looks like everyone else's. Lunacal lets you create a booking experience that turns visitors into high-intent prospects excited to hop on a call. Handle every booking scenario in one place: one-on-ones, group events, paid meetings, packages, and round-robin team scheduling. Automate reminders, sync multiple calendars, and get support for 12+ languages with seamless time zone management. Alternative to Acuity Scheduling, Calendly. Integrations: G Suite, Google Meet, Outlook Calendar, WordPress, Zapier. Best for consultants, marketing agencies, small businesses. Design stunning scheduling pages, automate admin work, and manage bookings for your whole team. Make a great first impression. Embed your story, intro videos, images, testimonials, case studies, and social posts. Showcase your brand with custom colors, themes, and layouts. No coding required. Add a stunning bookable calendar on your website, either inline or a floating widget. Manage bookings on autopilot. Collect custom details while booking and send SMS email booking confirmation and reminders. Create multi-session packages and offer discount coupons for paid meetings. Manage global clients with automated time zone detection and support for 12+ languages. Native integrations with popular apps. Integrate with Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams. Sync with multiple calendars across Google, Outlook, and Apple. Accept payments via Stripe and PayPal during booking, and integrate with Zapier and webhooks. Do more with team scheduling and workspaces. Let clients pick a service, choose their teammate, and book all in one flow. Auto-assign bookings across your team with round-robin scheduling. Run meetings with multiple teammates using collective scheduling. Give every client their own workspace, perfect for agencies scaling fast. Reviews. ASELRAK8. Best scheduling tool I've used, feels like a premium client experience. I've used multiple scheduling tools over the years, and Lunacal is on a completely different level. This isn't just a calendar, it's a full client experience. Everything about it feels modern, clean, and intentionally designed. The booking pages don't look generic or templated. They actually feel like an extension of your brand, which is huge if you're client-facing. What really stands out is how polished everything is. The interface is fast, intuitive, and easy to customize. Booking pages look professional and high-end. The entire flow feels seamless for both me and my clients. It elevates how you present yourself without extra effort. I've already started using this for business calls, and the difference in how it looks and feels compared to traditional tools is night and day. Product link, check my description. Thank you.